बेस्ट टीचर्स के गाइडेंस में पढ़ना इजियर होगा।
एग्जाम या हो लाइफ, अब से हर स्टूडेंट विनर होगा। समझ आएगा तो मजा आएगा।
Vedantu, learn live online. To attend a free live class, download the app now.
Hey class, good evening everyone. So welcome to today's class, which is specially for your ICSE grade 10th, and today we are going to go for the geometry session 2. As I've told you that this geometry also we are going to complete in 3 sessions. So today we are in the second session and we are going to mostly deal with the problems of circles in today's part. Previous chapter we have previous session we have done the problems of the triangles, and let's discuss the problems of circles today. So beta, this is the schedule right now. So currently we are doing geometry 2. The next session is on 6th of February, geometry 3. Okay. The previous session was on 1st February, geometry 1. It is very important. Any topic, if you are facing difficulty, go through this geometry topic, geometry sessions, and it will help you a lot in this regard. That is my guarantee to you. Let's move to the next part. Okay. So this is the first question which we are going to discuss today. So we are going to solve some questions related to circles, which are very awesome question, and with them we are going to deal today and we are going to solve that first question in the given figure. Okay. So the first question we have, in the given figure, AC is a tangent to the circle with center O. So this AC is a tangent of the circle with center O. If ADB, this ADB is equal to 55 degree, find X and Y. So this is your X, this is your Y. Give reasons for your answer. So this is like without even mentioning, you should always remember that you should always give answers for, give reason for whatever you are writing in the geometry part. So beta, first thing I can say that sir, in this part I know that sir, since it is a tangent, this angle has to be 90 degree, right? So I know that first thing sir, angle OAC is equal to 90 degree, because angle at the point of the radius at the point of contact is perpendicular to the tangent, right? Now understand this thing here, ki they have given this angle as 55 degree, you know this angle is 90 degree. So let's take this big triangle. Whenever the problems are related to angles, try to get as much information as you can. Even though it seems irrelevant, but it doesn't matter to me. They are not asking what is this angle B, but I will find out because it will help me in some other way. So I can say sir, in triangle ABD, beta. So I can say sir, this 90 degree plus 55 degree plus angle ABD should be equal to 180 degree. So I can get this value. So I can say 90 degree plus 55 plus angle ABD should be equal to 180 degree. So from here you will be getting angle ABD is equal to 35 degree, right? So this angle we have got as 35 degree. That angle we have got as 35 degree. Correct? Now if we have got that angle as 35 degree, now I want you to observe one thing very clearly, beta. Okay, what I want you to observe is, just see here. AE is a chord. AE is a chord, and the angle subtended by AE at the circumference is 35 degree. So I can say sir, the angle subtended by a chord at the center, this is Y, should be equal to double of the angle subtended by it at the circumference. So I can say that sir, Y should be equal to twice of 35 degree, which means 70 degree. The reason is angle at center is double of angle at circumference. As simple as that. Okay? This is how it is going to be done. Y value we have got, which is equal to 70 degree. Now we need to get the value of X. Now what we need to do? We need to get the value of X. Okay? So beta, now look at this part. Yeah. If we want the value of X, we know now it is 70 degree. We know this is 90 degree. So let's talk about this angle, right? Let's talk about this angle, this triangle. So in this triangle OAC. So now I can say, sir, in triangle OAC, this y 70 degree plus angle A which is 90 degree plus this x should be equal to 180 degree. So solving this, you'll be getting x is equal to 20 degrees. So here we have used angle sum property. Okay, angle sum property. So this is how you can solve this question. Very easy question, but the main thing is to think about it, to observe this diagram carefully and get the solution. Okay, there are plenty ways to solve this question, but what I want you to clarify here is that if you look at the diagram carefully, if you remember all the properties, if you remember all the theorems, then beta, I'm telling you, this is going to be very easy. The main thing is getting all the properties, remembering all the theorems. That will help you a lot. It will help you a lot. Okay? So the correct answer is x is equal to 20, y is equal to 70. Let's move to the next question. The next question is this. In the given figure, okay, what they are saying? So in the given figure, ABCDE is a pentagon. ABCDE is a pentagon inscribed in a circle such that AC is diameter. Okay, and side BC is parallel to AE. So beta, this side BC and AE, they are given parallel. Okay? If triangle BAC, angle BAC is 90 degree, find, giving reasons, we have to get angle ACB. Angle ACB is here. Angle EDC is this angle, and angle BEC. Okay, so beta, I want to get BEC. Chalo, so I will join them. Okay, because this angle I want, this angle I want, and this angle I want. Okay, acha. Hence prove that BE is also diameter. BE is also diameter. That is also we need to prove. Now beta, understand very carefully. First thing which I want you to tell is कि यार सुनो, sir, if these two sides are, what do I say? If these two sides are parallel, okay? Both these sides are parallel. Now beta, see, first part, this angle is 50 degree, this angle is 90 degree because angle at the semicircle, right? So I can easily get the value of angle ACB. I can easily get the value of angle ACB. So I can say, sir, in triangle ABC, if I use angle sum property, so this is 50 plus 90 plus your angle ACB should be equal to 180 degree. So if you solve this, you will be getting angle ACB will be equal to 180 minus 90, 140, 40 degree. Okay, beta? Angle ACB we have got equal to 40 degree. Okay? If it is 40 degree, beta, you can see very clearly by interior alternate angle. Look this part, this and this. So I can say this will also be 40 degree. This will also be 40 degree. So I can say, sir, angle EAC is equal to angle ACB is equal to 40 degree, and the reason I have given is what? Because they are forming a pair of interior alternate angle. Because they are forming a pair of interior alternate angle. Okay? Now let's move to the next part. Given that AC is the diameter side, okay? Now we want to get EDC. Okay? If we want EDC, so beta, EDC is also very easy. Now focus here. By whatever we have got, I'll just write that part. This is 40 and this is also 40. Now look here. If you just look at this part, beta, it is a cyclic quadrilateral, and in a cyclic quadrilateral the opposite angles are supplementary. So I can say, sir, angle EAC plus angle EDC is equal to 180 degree because they are opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay? Opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral. So angle EAC, beta, we know is 40 degree plus angle EDC, which I don't know, is equal to 180 degree. So you can clearly say angle EDC 180 minus 40 is 140 degree. Okay? So this angle also we have got as 140 degree. Okay, chalo. Then we need to prove BEC. Acha, chalo, BEC now we need to get. BEC. Chalo, let us join B with E and then it with C. We know this is equal to 40. We know this is equal to 40. ठीक है. अब बेटा अंडरस्टैंड one thing, we need to get angle BEC. BEC we need to get. Okay, first thing I can say and prove that BE is also diameter. BE is also diameter. That is very easy for me to prove because I know कि sir BE is a chord which is getting an angle of 90 degree at the 90 degree here. It is making an angle of 90 degree. So if a chord is making an angle of 90 degree at the circumference, that means that chord is a diameter. Understood? So that chord is a diameter. So I can say BE is a diameter. Since angle BAE, I can say angle BAE is equal to 40 plus 50, which is equal to 90 degree. So I can say if this angle is 90 degree, so if a chord is subtending an angle of 90 degree at the circumference, I can say BE is diameter. Okay, so this is one way of proving that it is a diameter. Any chord will be a diameter. So for any chord, if you have to prove any chord to be a diameter, the easiest way is just see what angle it is subtending at the circumference. If that angle is 90 degree, you can clearly say that chord will be a diameter. ठीक है बेटा. So that same thing I have used. Now I know कि BE is diameter, so and AC is also diameter, so they must intersect at the center of the circle. They must intersect. Two diameters always intersect at the center of the circle. So now I know definitely they are intersecting at the center of the circle. If they are intersecting at the center of the circle, beta, so I know कि sir OA and OE both are equal. So this angle is 40. This angle will also be 40 degree using isosceles triangle property. ठीक है? Clear? Then I can say one more thing, that sir AC is a diameter. So AC is a diameter, angle at the semicircle should be 90 degree. So this whole angle should be 90 degree. So I can say the remaining angle will be 50. So that 40 plus 50 will be 90 degree. And OE should be equal to OC. So this angle will also be 50 degree. Chalo, so you have got BEC is equal to 50 degree. So angle BEC will be equal to 50 degree. So many theorems we have used. You can write this part. Understanding is the most important thing. First I have proved that BE is diameter because I saw that if I take BE as a chord, the angle subtended by chord at the circumference is 90 degree. That means it is a diameter. Since they are diameter, they are intersecting at the center of the circle. Then I saw that then OA should be equal to OE because both are radius. So using isosceles triangle property, I have told this is 40 degree. And then AEC should be 90 degree because angle at the semicircle. So the angle BEC will be equal to 90 minus 40, which is 50 degree. So this is how beta easily this question can be solved. Again and again I will tell you beta that all these questions are nothing. All these questions are nothing but just the understanding of this diagram properly. If you understand those diagram properly, you will get the answer. There are plenty ways to get the answer. The major thing is you write the approach properly, you go through each and every part carefully, and you are able to explain your answer clearly. That matters a lot. Let's move to the next question. In the figure, given figure below, O is the center of the circle. If QR is equal to OP and ORP is equal to 20 degree, find the value of X giving reasons. ठीक है? अब always remember this thing. Even though this giving reasons is given or not, you should always give reason. Always. ठीक है बेटा? Now, अब understand what they have told. OQR is equal to OP. तो बेटा QR. Where is QR? ठीक है? QR. This QR is equal to OP. ठीक है? This QR is equal to OP. And beta, I can say sir OP is equal to OQ because both are radius. So QR is equal to OP and I know OP is equal to OQ because they are radius. So I can say sir QR is equal to OP is equal to OQ. All three are equal to each other. Now what we are getting by this? If all of them if all of them are equal to each other, you can see this is a triangle. It is an isosceles triangle. So if this angle is 20 degree, I can clearly say this angle is also 20 degree. So now I can say, sir, in triangle QOR, if I have OQ is equal to QR, I can say then angle QRO is equal to angle QOR, which is equal to what? 20 degree, right? That angle is equal to 20 degree. Now if these two angles are 20 degree beta, you can clearly see, you can see this part ki sir, then this angle, which angle? Angle PQO. This angle PQO is acting as an exterior angle for this triangle QRO. Okay? So this angle, exterior angle OQP, angle OQP should be equal to OQP should be equal to sum of angle QRO plus angle QOR. And why I am saying this? Because of exterior angle theorem. Okay, so that is the reason, and here I have given the reason as isosceles triangle property. Okay, so I can say sir, angle OQP will be equal to 20 plus 20, which means 40 degree. So beta, this angle we have got as 40 degree. Now again, using isosceles triangle property, I can say sir, this angle will be again also 40 degree. So I can say sir, angle OPQ is equal to angle OQP is equal to 40 degree, and the reason is isosceles triangle property. Okay, so if it is true, I can clearly get this angle beta, angle POQ, using triangles angle sum property. I can say sir, angle in triangle POQ, I can say sir 40 plus, let's say this angle 40 degree plus angle POQ plus 40 degree should be equal to 180 degree. So you'll be getting angle POQ is equal to 60 degree. Okay, so this angle we have got as 60 degree. Sorry, 100 degree. Sorry. 100 degree. What I'm saying? 100 degree. Okay. So this angle we have got it as 100 degree. Now beta see, this is a straight line. So I can say 20 plus 100 plus x should be equal to 180 degree. So I can say sir, 20 plus 100 plus x should be equal to 180 degree. And the reason is what? TR is a straight line. Okay, so using this part, 120, 180 minus this, so x is equal to 60. So the value of x is what? 60 degree. Okay? So this is how analyze the question, go through it, think about it properly, and definitely you will get the answer. There is no chance that you are not going to get the answer. Okay? No chance about it. Okay, let's move to the next question. This is the next question. In the given figure, PQ is tangent to the circle at A. AB and AD are bisectors of angle CAQ and PAC. If angle BAQ is equal to 30 degree, prove that BD is the diameter of the circle and ABC is an isosceles triangle. Now, again, a very easy question, but a very good question it is. Okay? What they are saying, beta, that sir, this AB is bisector of angle CAQ and this AD is a bisector of angle PAC. Okay? Now they have told ki BAQ is 30 degree. So BAQ, beta, if this is bisector, if it is 30, I can say this will also be 30 degree. Okay? And this AD is bisector. So let's say this is X and let's say this is X. So 2X plus 60 is equal to 180 degree. Okay? Using this straight angle property, because since it is a straight line, so I can say sir, 2x plus 30 is equal, 2x plus 30 plus 30, which is 60, is equal to 180 degree. So you can say 2x is equal to 120, that means x is equal to 60. Okay? So now I can clearly say that sir, this is 60, this is also 60. 30, 30, 60, 60. First part. Okay, what we have got, we have to prove that BD is diameter. We need to prove that BD is diameter. And you know how to prove BD is diameter? By BD is diameter is very easy, na sir. By I can see if BD is a chord and it is subtending an angle of 90 degree at the circumference. So I can say sir, since angle BAD is equal to 90 degree, I can say BD is a diameter, because angle at the semicircle is 90 degree. Angle at semicircle circle is 90 degrees. So we already got it. That means this BDA or ABD is forming a triangle at the semicircle. This is an angle at the semicircle. That means this BD is a diameter. Okay. Then ABC is an isosceles triangle. We have to prove that this ABC is an isosceles triangle. ठीक है बेटा? अब सुनो, think properly. First thing I can say कि sir, we know that alternate segment theorem, according to alternate segment theorem beta, this angle should be equal to, I'll just use another pen. If this angle is 30 degree beta, if this angle is 30 degree, I can say sir this angle will also be 30 degree. ठीक है? And then I can say sir if this angle is 60 degree, if this angle is 60 degree, I can say that sir if this angle is 60 degree, if this angle is 60 degree, I can say this angle will also be equal to 60 degree. ठीक है? अब सुनो. So we have used the alternate segment theorem. I have told that sir angle ADB is equal to angle BAQ, which is equal to 30 degree, and angle DCA is equal to angle PAD, which is equal to 60 degree. And the reason for both is what beta? Alternate segment theorem. Alternate segment theorem. ठीक है? Now अब try to locate these 2 points. ठीक है बेटा? If I treat this AB as a chord, if this angle is 30 degree, I can say sir this angle will also turn out to be 30 degree because angle in the same segment are equal. So now I can say sir angle ADB should be equal to angle ACB because that is equal to 30 degree because angles in the same segment. ठीक है? I wanted to prove ABC is an isosceles triangle. So beta see, now focus on ABC. Now focus on ABC. In ABC beta you can see this angle is 30 degree. This is 30 degree. So now I can say sir in triangle ABC, angle BAC is equal to angle BCA. So I can say that means ABC is an isosceles triangle, as simple as that. Okay? So this is how the whole proof has been done. Again and again I will tell you for all the questions ki beta the most important thing is you think about it, give it some time. Directly don't start writing. First focus what are the information given, try to learn them, try to get whatever information you can get. Whatever information you can get that will be helpful somewhere. So geometry questions are like puzzles, treat them like that only. Try to solve them. These questions are really amazing. Give them your time. Try to solve it like a puzzle. There is no proper formula. Only thing is you should remember all the theorems. You should know their application, and the more practice you'll do, you'll get to learn more of this part. Okay, let's move to the next question now. So the next question beta we have is this. In the given figure, AD is a diameter. Okay, AD is your diameter. O is the center of the circle. O is the center of the circle. AD is parallel to BC. So this line AD is parallel to BC. Angle CBD is 32 degree. Find angle CBD. Nope, it is not CBD. Should not be CBD. It should be OBD. ठीक है. But it is not CBD. It is OBD. Okay. It is OBD. ठीक है? OBD. Then find angle AOB. ठीक है? And angle BED. चलो, it's a very easy question. First thing beta, if I know कि यार these two lines are given parallel, तो first thing I saw is this Z formation. I have this habit. First thing, why they are giving me parallel lines? There must be some logic to it. So I got to know that sir angle ODB will be equal to 32 degree because of interior alternate angle. ठीक है? Now beta we have got this angle is 32 degree. Okay, this angle we have got is 32 degree. Now I know that sir OB is equal to OD. So I can say sir in triangle OBD, OB is equal to OD If it is true, the angle opposite to them should also be equal. So I can say angle ODB. So I can say, sir, angle ODB should be equal to angle OBD, which means 32 degrees. So both these angles are 32 degree. Arey wah, what an awesome thing. What angle you want? You want angle OBD. Chalo, OBD we have got as 32 degree. Okay? First part solved. Then you want angle AOB. Beta AOB if you want. See, what is this? 32 plus 32, 64. And now try to look here, na? Ki sir, it is also forming a pair of interior alternate angle. So I can say, sir, angle AOB will be equal to angle OBC, which is nothing but 32 plus 32, which means equal to 64 degree. And the reason for it is again interior alternate angle. Okay? Second part done. Third, you want angle BED. Acha. Chalo, you want to talk about now this angle. Okay? You want to talk about now this angle, angle BED. Okay? Now we need to think about this part. Ki sir, we know whatever we know. First, let us get that part. Okay? So we now know that, sir, this is also 64 degree. Acha. BD is this part. Ha. Understood. Very easy now. Suno. Ab dekho beta, what we have. By first, I erase this part. First, look at this part. We have already got this thing that this angle is 32 degree and this angle is 32 degree. Okay, beta? So I can easily get this angle. Angle BOD. I can say, sir, angle BOD is equal to 180 minus 64 degree, which is equal to what? 116 degrees. What is this angle I have used? Triangles angle sum property. Okay? Angle sum property I have used, triangles angle sum property. 180 minus 32 minus 32, 180 minus 64. So this angle now beta is 116 degrees. Okay? Ab suno. Bhai BD is a chord which is subtending an angle of 160 degree at the center. It is subtending at an angle of 160 degree at the center. So I can say it will subtend an angle of half of it at the circumference. So I can say clearly that, sir, angle BED should be equal to half of angle BOD, and the reason is angle at circumference is half of angle at center of a chord. Okay? So now I can say angle BED will be half of 116 degree, which means 58 degrees. So this angle should be 58 degrees. As simple as that. Very easy. Chalo. I have been telling you again and again, very easy questions. These questions are very easy. The main thing is you should understand how to identify this question. Next part. AB and CD are two chords of a circle intersecting at P. They are intersecting at P. Prove that AP by PB into CB by CD. Ab beta, remember this thing. This question is really important. It's really important. Very important. Very important. Understand how it will be done. First thing, when these two are intersecting, it is a theorem as well that when two chords intersect, they intersect each other proportionally. So AP into, so I'll tell you what it is happening beta. So do one thing, join AP, AD and BC. Okay, join them. So you have two triangle APD and triangle BPC. Okay, so I will say, sir, in triangle APD and triangle CPB. First thing beta, if you consider this BD as a chord, I can say, sir, these two angles should be equal because they are angle in the same segment. Okay? So I can say, sir, angle A is equal to angle C. Similarly, if you consider this AC as a chord, then angle B and angle D will be equal because angle in the same segment. Okay? Because they are angles in the same segment. Okay, beta? If they are if I have got two angles equal, I can say sir triangle APD is similar to triangle CPD. Yes, I can say that. And if I can say that beta, so I can say sir AP upon CP is equal to APD upon CPB, sorry, upon PB. Cross multiply, so when you cross multiply you will be getting AP into PB is equal to CP into PD. Okay, so it is a very important result. Direct questions also will come sometimes, so it's a very important result. I am telling you, last two questions which you have done, where I have marked the star marks, those questions are very important. Do not forget to revise them. Okay beta, so this is all in today's class. These are the results for the previous year ICSE grade 10th students. If you really want to achieve that score, this is the Vedantu 9th and 10th team. You can join Vedantu. Here we have two types of courses for you. One is your micro courses, which are starting from as low as ₹11, so that each and every student can afford it. It's a subject chapter wise courses in which whatever topic you are feeling difficulty, you can go for those courses. Okay, so here also beta you can save money by using the code GPMIC. You just need to go to this link vdnt.in/YT micro. Once you have visited this link, go on buy now, click on buy now, right? I have a there will be option, I have a coupon code, click on that and use GPMIC. You will get 50% off on that part. Okay, then this is the this will be the endowment of your live class where you will be having it. Do join the Telegram group for your grade 9th and 10th. This is the link to register. Okay, there you can ask your doubts. Again beta, remember 6th February is our next class, Geometry 3. Do not forget to solve this part. Like this video beta, share this video with your friends and subscribe to this channel if you are enjoyed this video. I'll be coming out soon with some awesome topics. We are going to complete your whole ICSE syllabus. Don't worry about it. 2 portions of geometry we have done. Algebra over, banking over. Okay, commercial mathematics, whole thing over. So one more session of geometry and then we'll move for the next unit beta. So thank you so much for attending the class. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon in the next class. Till then, bye bye. Good night. See you soon. Bye bye.